Hi everyone, I'm going to go through the lower body flexibility portion. So the first one is a lying quad stretch. So you're going to get down onto the ground and extend yourself nice and fully. I like to take my hand and just bend it back like this so I can support my head. If you want to use a little pillow, you can do whatever. You're going to take your hand, your other hand, and I'm going to grab on your foot. Just kind of flex your toes down towards you, or flex your foot towards you, I guess. And then just kind of pull gently, trying to bring your foot towards your hips, and then just let your knee go backwards. If you feel like you need to, you can bring your bottom leg up a little bit so you get that brace, and then just gently pull backwards, feeling that stretch in your quad. Next up is the figure four stretch. So you're going to start on the ground with your knees like so, and you take one leg and rotate it over to the other side, and then reach your hands through and interlace your fingers and just apply some gentle tension into this stretch, trying to keep your pelvis on the ground. You want to feel that in this area, so the low part of your hip on the outside when you put that in. If you need to, you can brace with your knee, but you want to make sure you're not rolling your hips off the ground here, and keep them nice and set onto the ground. Next one up is the seated twist. So you're going to have one leg extended, the other leg bent, so you're in this kind of triangle position. Reach backwards with one hand, the opposite hand goes on the knee, and you just gently rotate. The goal here is to try to keep a little bit of arch in the low back. You're extending yourself very tall and just twisting, driving with this elbow, the knee backwards. And again, nice, calm breathing. All of these are about 20-30 seconds. Make sure you do both sides. And the last one, the low lunge with a quad stretch. Now this can be pretty intensive on the knee joint. So if you want to use a pillow, a blanket, something to add some extra cushion, go for it. I would definitely advise doing that if you're not used to having that much weight on your knee, or if you have any kind of knee pain. So you're going to take this leg and get it nice and far forwards, so that you have kind of a more than 90-degree spread with that bottom leg. Kind of move forward slightly so you feel a bit of stretch here in the hip flexor, and then you're going to reach back and try to grab your foot with this one. Now if you can't get the foot, that is totally alright. Just getting into this lunge position, you'll feel a little bit of a stretch here, and what you can do is lean forwards and just kind of do curls with your foot. That'll get increase there, but you want to try to just grab that foot, hold on it, and feel that quad stretch and into the hip flexors. And then you just kind of sit here calmly. Try and keep your pelvis nice and squared and your head extended upwards. And let it down. Right, obviously do both sides, holding about 20 to 30 seconds, working on that nice calm breathing. Have fun with those.